not just in India that even though we are outside of our country, but we still have that patriotism in us, and we are here to support a very important bill where whole India is for it. And I'd just like to state 3 points. And the first one is Prime Minister Manmohan Singh gave a speech in the Parliament in response to the action that they have taken against Anna Hazare. And he says the point is who drafts the bill and who makes laws. The question here is, it's not about what kind of drafts they make or whatever it is. I would like to give examples of some states in the United States where, like Mississippi, in the state of Mississippi, they make laws taking into consideration the people's opinions through referendum. And I feel the most important thing that our government should realize, and our constitution I think should bring the change, is to take people's opinion. And what they do is the National Advisory Committee is there to support. They usually give their points to draft any bill, but it is headed by Sonia Gandhi and mostly Congress people. If there is a civil society giving their opinion, what is the problem that they have to take the opinion of almost thousands and crores of Indians? And I was shocked to hear one of the ministers, I think Kapil Sibal, he gave a response saying, why should we allow outsiders to draft bills? Who are outsiders? Indians, the citizens of India, are not outsiders. You are sitting in the parliament because they have voted for you. So I think there should be a change in their thoughts about drafting bills especially. I think we should also bring awareness about making drafts with referendum, actually taking people's opinion, because finally who are going to be the ones following the law? The people. If they don't want certain things, why don't you listen to them? And the second point is bringing awareness about the differences between the bills. We are all here because we don't want corruption, but how? How are we going to achieve it? So I sincerely request you all friends to know the differences between the two bills and spread awareness about it. And I would like to end with, I was in one of the conferences that Ms. Kiran Bedi was having for all the NRIs all over the world. She, when one of the persons asked her what support can NRIs give to this movement, she said because not all states in our country they don't speak Hindi. So we should, if we want the differences between the bills to reach every state, we should fund advertisements in paper in our local. Like if I'm from say Maharashtra, in Marathi I would fund an advertisement in the paper. So I think we should all fund the cause and bring awareness.